Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set the clock in your Fiat 500. First, turn your ignition key to the MAR position, which is the accessory power setting. Next, locate and press the menu button on your dashboard. This will bring up the main menu on your display. Use the up or down arrows to scroll through the options until you find Settings, then select it. Once in the Settings menu, you'll need to find the Clock or Time option. Select this to begin adjusting. The hour display will start flashing, indicating it's ready for adjustment. Use the up and down arrow buttons to change the hour to your desired setting. After you've set the correct hour, press the menu button again to confirm your selection. After confirming the hour, the minute display will begin to flash. This means you can now adjust the minutes. Just like with the hours, use the up and down arrow buttons to scroll through and select the correct minute value. Take your time to ensure it's precise. Once the minutes are set, press the menu button one more time to confirm this part of the setting. To finalize and save your new time settings, press the menu button one last time. The clock on your display should now show the updated time, no longer flashing. You can then turn your ignition key off to exit the settings menu completely. Your Fiat 500 clock is now accurately set and ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.